Hi guys! Good afternoon! It's me, Tita Ganda. For now's video, we will go to Carrefour. We will buy a dog food today. Then, after that, we will go to the park and feed some puppies there. So, see you there, friends! Hi guys! This is the dog food. We will feed the puppies there. So, come and join us! Hello guys! Hinahanap na namin po ngayon yung mga tuta. Ano masasabi mo ngayon anak? Kasi i-feed mo yung mga puppies.
Excited na nakita sila.
Okay, so hinahanap po namin. So andito kami sa park. We'll see. Lalakad po kami. So madami pong tao. Hello! Andito na po kami ngayon kung saan namin nakita yung mga puppies. So, until now po, hinahanap namin. Keep looking na ka. Where are you, puppies? We're here. Okay, go. So, we're here. Raki, halika na. Ayun na po. See you again. Bye. See you again, doggies. Oh, so cute. Leaving now. Bye. Doggies, see you again.
Dapat pala dapat po pala we should have gotten water.
Oh yeah, we forgot to bring water. Sorry, doggy. So next time we will bring food and water. So guys, for now,
Bye-bye.
are you happy now? No?
Yes.
Okay.